Native People's Convention Unified Response haiba thimda lamdamasiki yelhomi singyoiba ahanba People's Convention ama Native People's Committee Manipur NPCM na sinduna June gitang anida Makhan Village ta pangthoklagani ahanba People's Convention aduda retired IRS K Timothy Zimek Dr. Y Premananda HOD Law Department MU Demographer Dr. RK Narendra Homen Thangjam Assistant Professor IGTU na Convention adugi resource person sing oina aduga jurist abonmai amadi Asem Prince na moderator oina saryagani hairi Native People's Convention aduga mari leinana ngasi Manipur Press Club ki thangjing hol da pangthokiba pawgi mifam amada NPCM gi convener Asang Kasarna hai Lagliba June gi tang anigi ayuk pung 13 dagi hauraga pangthokadawriba Native People's Convention asida maruoina challenges of influx and demographic threat removal of Assam Rifles from Manipur, abrogate suspension of operation with Kuki Sioux militants, updation of NRC and census amade, present crisis of Manipur hairiba hiram sing asida khananainagani. Khananainabagi tawramasida lamdamasida lairiba CSO, yellow fruit singi stakeholders sing, academician, social worker, social leader, social activist, intellectual, youth, student organization sing na puna lakpiduna, khananainabagi tawramasi mapung phan view haina mahagna haiki.
aduna lairiba Manipur ki present issue aduga hairiba akhoi decisive oiba security forces ki kahenba aduga akhoi su abrogation si tawdabadagi ngasi su da leiba singna tawningba tawba aduga ngasai ki akhoi NRC update tawdabagi marak sida akhoi SIR su tawsale aduga census tathagani na tawrakpa mayamse masina akhoi yelhomi da aduga native people singda Chauba akoida thenaba kainomaka oiri masiki mari leinana masiki tamakta the first native people convention mase phamga doribani
leiriba lainga ki karigi mayam singchina tawgadaba thabak singche masi usannadabagum miyam singina kaigumam thoganda yamna thuna madugi response piga dawda akoi condemn tawena hana hore condemn tawgadaba nati action in action da thuna masi thabak yangna thabak paikhatna na honnara ganda miyam singji nena taba nungaiba adugumba akoi security leiriko akoi government leiriko khangadabse masi miyam singji khalak tawi thak lai